everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jordan, and today we have a special guest, my sister Kelsi, and obviously a very different setup. We both got our FabFitFun winter boxes, so I thought it would be a fun idea to come over to her house and film this little Christmas FabFitFun unboxing. So let's get into it. I'm very nervous. I know, for this, so not my box. I know. This is so not your style.
Not my style. But we'll see if this box is my style.
I know. We were wanting to film this together because we were interested to see if they were different. So I customized 3 things. You didn't?
I didn't know I could.
Okay, so Kelsi didn't customize anything, so it just randomized her items.
Selections.
Yeah, so we'll see. And we have another special guest, or 2.
Come here.
Luna!
Come here. Oh.
Hi, Luna!
Kobe, come here. You want to be on the video? Come here. Oh, that's a good boy.
That's Kobe.
He likes opening boxes too. All right. Ready? Oh. I usually just look at everything at the same time. I think she thinks this is her bark box.
Aww.
So she's waiting.
Not for you. I'm sorry. Is that mean?
No.
Okay, so here's the inside. A cute little. I love how they wrap it. Okay, so first thing, this thing is. Oh, cool. Here's a makeup eraser. I have one of these actually. It really works. I don't know how it works, but it works. My mom. This is all my mom uses too. But yeah, you can like wash it. It's antibacterial and it's reusable. See if you have it.
I saw someone on Instagram using that last night.
Really? Ooh. It's so weird how it works.
Does it say vegan friendly on it? Yes. I have it too.
Yay, twins!
I'm so excited.
This is a big box. You've never used this before?
No, but I'm very excited because I'm very lazy when it comes to makeup and taking makeup off.
Yeah.
I need this.
This will make it really easy. That's why mom likes it, because you just wet it and then you just wash your face. Wash it at least 1 or 2 times a week.
Really?
It says.
But what if you only wear makeup 2 times a week?
Then you should still wash it. Like once, like if you wear, if you use it twice a week, wash it.
Okay.
Wash it once a week then.
Cool.
Or whatever, just throw it in with your laundry.
Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah.
Okay, next thing. Ooh, dry bar. Prep Rally, Prep and Prime Detangler. I really need this right now since I bleached my hair. My hair has been so tangly. So, detanglers after a shower have been like a necessity. And I love dry bar. So I'm really excited for this. Oh, and it's a heat protectant. Girl! I need that. Ooh, it has biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. That's so cool. I'm gonna smell this. I bet it smells good.
I like looking, you like pulling yours out one at a time. I like looking at it all at once.
Yeah.
But then again, I used to try to peek my Christmas presents and you didn't.
Yeah. True.
I have it too.
Yay!
Cool. So would you use it for a detangler, or would you use it before you style your hair, or both?
That's a good question. Damp hair and brush through before blow drying. Or spray onto dried bangs or fringe and re-blow dry to freshen up your look. Okay, so either way, I guess. But since my hair is really thin, I would probably only do it on damp hair because I feel like it would make my hair look really greasy if I did it on dry hair.
Should I spray it on my hair right now?
Yeah.
How does it smell?
It smells like a salon and then it smells minty. Minty salon hair.
Interesting. Does it work?
Bring it really close.
Is that how you do it?
I don't know. Your hair's
I don't
thick,
really
so
need to
detangle
detangle or style my hair, so maybe I shouldn't waste it.
It looks pretty though. It looks like
It just got a little wet.
it's smells good in here.
Fancy.
Next thing. Yes! I needed one of these. I feel like this is Christmas. Bluetooth shower speaker. I had one. My brother got me for Christmas years ago, probably in high school. And I have been searching for it everywhere recently and I can't find it for some reason. But it was the best.
It looks cute too.
I know. Whoa. Look how cute. Hang on. Look how cute this is. Go.
Pretty.
And it sticks.
And it sticks.
Ooh, and it has waterproof buttons on it, so you can
That's so cool.
do things. I got it too!
Yay!
I'm excited.
Yay!
This is only my second ever box.
Yeah, she's new to FabFitFun.
I'm very new.
I've been a member for a year now. My first box was last winter, so I'm kind of new to FabFitFun too, but Kelsey's super new. Yay! Exciting! Oh, look! Color switch! I have one of these, and these are really cool and really helpful.
Alright, it's not mine.
Yay! These help so much. I especially use it for eyeshadow. I don't really think I use it for anything else, but like after you use a color, you just swirl your brush in here and it gets that color off, so then you can go back and blend without adding more product and switch between different shadow colors really easily.
Oh.
This is really cool. Yeah.
Okay, you can see the texture of the sponge. It's pretty cool. And it's like a tin with a lid on the back. The lid is just on the bottom, so you can take the lid off and put it on top to close it up.
Okay, this thing is keeping on catching my eye. That sentence. Do you have this?
Mm-hmm.
Face for All face and eye mask set. Oh my god, there's so many in here. It has age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, renewal plus eye. So that's, wait, how many masks are in here?
I think it's 7. Let's find out. I love masks, but I used to like those little cheapy ones, but I feel like it's bad for your skin.
I know,
So I never know if I should be using them or not.
Ooh.
There's a
Whoa.
lot in there. 7.
Ooh, and it has a mask planner in here. So, Sunday Fun Day, deep clean with a clarifying face mask, mask crush Monday, brightening face mask,
Tip Tuesday, antioxidant face mask. I like the packaging.
yeah,
They're
this feels so
the
nice.
colors are so pretty, and I'm not good at holding them up nicely, but
No, they're like slipping.
they're pretty.
Yeah, these are really pretty.
Definitely want to look this company up. Oh wait, they're cloth masks.
Yeah, they're like sheet masks.
My dogs don't really like it. I mean, look at those. Oh.
You go this way a little.
How many products are in these normally?
I think like 8.
So we've opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So far they've been all the same.
And you customized yours?
Yes. I mean, I think so. I don't remember though. I don't remember what I customized. I was hoping I got this. Maggie got this. Beauty Bakery palette. I hope you got it. Yay! Oh my god, this is so cute. This is Maggie's like sending me videos of it. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love the packaging.
It
It's
is
soft
very
touch.
cute. I want to see the colors. How do I? But it's. Yeah.
Right
This
there.
is massive. This is like bigger than any palette I even own.
Yeah, it is.
Are they colors I would like?
Yeah, they're neutral.
Ooh.
These are so cute, and I love the names of all the shades. This is so
rice pudding, chia pudding, bread pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding, nana pudding, warm cocoa, and almond jelly.
So cute.
They're actually very pretty.
Yeah, they are. This brand is really cute.
I've never heard of this brand.
All their products are like bakery themed. Like their little setting powder is like a flour packet. They're sold at Ulta now.
It's called Beauty Bakery?
Yeah. It's really, this is
I'll actually use this.
Yeah.
Which is nice because I'll probably actually use everything so far, but sometimes I get things like hand creams that I'm never gonna use.
Yeah. In my summer box, there were a few things that I didn't use. But like my last box, I'm obsessed with everything.
Do you keep these in there?
Pretty.
The next thing here is this Nails Ink Hydrating Hand Mask. It comes in a really cute pattern. It has botanical extracts, vitamin E, and shea butter. You're supposed to put these masks on your hands for 15 to 20 minutes, and you can use your phone while wearing these.
This is actually really perfect for a winter box because I'm sure everyone's hands are super dry right now. Mine definitely are.
You have to post an Instagram video of you wearing them.
Ooh, that's a good idea. Trying to do my makeup.
Hi guys! All right, do you want to pull out your last thing, and then, or do you want me to pull out?
No,
my
you
thing?
pull out your next thing. Because you didn't
What
have
does
that
look
toilet.
for you.
Then
Don't be a hand cream. Don't be a hand cream.
hand cream.
Epsom salt, hand and body wash. Yoga. It says. Calm. It actually does. Cuccio. Somatology. Daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, pro, vitamin, and shea butter. I wish this was something I could like pour into the bath.
Yeah, you probably could.
Probably could.
You need that.
What? To calm down? And it gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin using the finest ingredients. Epsom salt helps muscles feel reinvigorated and re-energized after the most intensive workouts.
Ooh, it's dripping. It smells like lavender.
Oh yeah, it is spilling out. I'm gonna have to wash my hands.
But you can give it a try.
It smells, what?
You can give it a try.
Oh, be right back. I probably wouldn't use this just like as a hand wash sitting at the sink. I think because it's Epsom salt and lavender. So
Yeah.
I think I would put a little bit in the bath, use it in the shower.
Yeah. Especially after
Kevin might steal
rush
it.
cycle.
Yes.
Okay, last item. This is ginormous. So, is yours ginormous? Okay, ready?
1, wait, 2, 3.
Unhide. Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux.
Please tell me it's a blanket and not to wear.
Yes. I think I picked this.
You did?
So we remember what I customized.
We only got one thing that was different.
Wow, this is so soft.
It is very soft. I wonder if, I feel like it'll hide dog fur well. So
Yeah,
somebody will
especially
put it on
when
their
it's
lap and then they'll be covered.
No animals were harmed in the making of this faux.
It's funny that it's called faux because it's a throw, you know?
Oh.
A faux fur throw.
This is so cute.
Fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh faux.
So soft.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wait,
That's
huge! It's like velvety on the inside.
Ooh. And
It's
furry on the
cozy
outside?
on both sides. I have this blanket over here, but it's
Oh,
not
it's kind of similar.
as cozy on both sides. So this one is
That's so
very soft. Long enough to cover my entire body.
Wait.
See?
That's huge. Wait, hold it out. Hi, Luna.
Did you see?
Yeah.
Huge! Did she like it?
Luna, do you like it?
Luna, do you like it? Luna, come here. Kobe, you like blankets. Here. It's so cozy. What do you
Aww.
think? What do you think? He likes it. I love it.
Yay! Hi, Lou.
And how do you buy things? Like if they have things in here and you want them?
If you go on FabFitFun.com/offers, there are discounts on products, so you can shop.
Ooh, I like this. 50 no excuse ways to take a break.
Ooh.
Go on a walk, unbox your winter box, and post a picture on Instagram. Stay in on a Friday night, log off social media for a day, stretch, text an old friend, call a loved one, which I do every day. I like this.
I know, I love the magazine. I think it's really cute.
This Unhide That Blanket is co-founded by Ellen DeGeneres, and
that's cool.
a portion of every purchase goes to one of her most beloved charities, the Humane Society.
Oh, that's so cool.
One by 10 more.
I didn't know that.
I think
That's
Kevin
awesome.
needs one, Luna needs one.
I'm gonna get out my calculator. So first thing, this is called the Unhide Little Marshmallow. This is $65. This alone is worth the box. The box is $49.99. This alone shows the value of this box.
I love it. It's my new blankie.
So 65. Yeah, this is like, I'm really excited
I'm gonna
about
cuddle
this.
with this. Okay. Yeah, same.
Okay, the next thing is the shower speaker. This is $30. So far we're at 95.
It's 30 bucks.
Yeah.
Dang. Hope it works.
Yeah, I'm excited to try it. The next thing is, this eye mask set. Oh, this is $42. So we're at 137.
What about the 4A?
So the Beauty Bakery palette is $38. So we're at 175.
Prep Rally
Oh,
is 23.
the Dry Bar Detangler is 23. So we are at 198. Nails Ink hand masks are 16. So we're at 214. The color switch is $16.99. So we're at $230.99. And the last thing is the makeup eraser, which is $20. So the value of this box is $250.99. So basically $251.
Mine was more actually.
And
Mine is $16. Hey,
wait, where's my, oh.
I'll tell you, but mine is $16. And then add $39.95 because that's how much my Epsom salt was.
Kelsey's was $274.94.
I got lucky.
Whoa. For
Not-
$49.99. Like, how?
That's pretty cool.
This is so cool. I'm obsessed with FabFitFun.
I love it.
Yay! I'm so excited.
It's like Christmas even though we're 9 days away.
I know. Oh my god. 9 days away! Hopefully you have all your shopping done.
I don't.
I don't even think I've started.
I haven't. All right.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if I should do more videos with Kelsi. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye.